Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Line Messenger app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So now let's go to your Play Store. If you are a Android user, then go to Play Store. Or if you are a iPhone user, then go to App Store. So I'm just gonna click up Google Play Store, and here you can search Line. Then click Line. Let's see uh, about the Line Messenger app. Sorry, I need to connect my. Okay, then try again. So here you can see Line Call and Messenger. So let's see about this app. So this is really popular app about the world. So 4.3 ratings and 30 million reviews. Okay, 30 million people write something about this app, and 500 million plus downloaded this app. So this is huge, popular over the world. So you can use this and simply click install, then it will be installed in your device. Okay, it takes a few times to install in your device, and I will upload more videos online how to use or how can you use this in upcoming videos. So make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.